Welcome back. We are going to talk more on examples. So here, an operation star is defined as A star B equal half A minus B. You have to form a table of the operation, this operation star on a set T, and these are the members of T 4, 6, and 8, and determine whether the set T is closed or not. Is closed or not. So first, we are forming a table on this set, right? So just draw our table. Let's form our table. Forming our table. So we have 4, we have 6, we have 8. We have 4, we have 6, we have 8. We are forming a table. Alright. Forming a table. And this is the operation. Don't forget, this is our operation. This is our operation. So all this is going to work with this operation. That is the operation star. So if you draw a table, 4 and 4, so their values will be here. Their values will be here. 4 star 4, we write here. So here, you have to work a lot. So here, first, A star B equal half A minus B. So first, 4 star 4, that is, the first one is 4 star 4, right? 4 star 4. And it's going to be half, what? A is, check, our A is 4, our B is also 4. So 4 minus 4, well, just imagine, 4 minus 4 is what? 0. So half of 0 is still 0. So here you put 0 here. The next is 4 star 6. So 4 star 6. So you have what? A star B. Let me just do it this way for it to be simple. So 4 star, that is A is 4 minus B. B is 6. Right? So half 4 minus 6 is negative 2. So half of negative 2 is negative 1. So 4 star 6 is negative 1. Sorry, my camera is not stable. That's why I'm still staring at the camera. I don't want it to fall. I can't afford to lose my brand new phone. Alright, so 4 star 6 is negative 1. And it's here. 4 star 8. So we are moving on. 4 star 8 is going to be half of what? 4 minus what? 8. Because if we make it A star B, this is A and this is what? B. Okay, I think I'm not rushing. Half 4 minus what? 8. Because the formula is A minus B. So A is 4 minus B is 8. So half of what? 4 minus 8 is negative 4. So half of negative 4 is what? Negative 2. So 4 star 8 is negative what? 2. I hope you can top up, but I want to do everything. So in the next example, I'll burden you with a lot of assignments. So 6 star 4. So here, 6 star 4. I'll jump some because I hope my students are good. They can do it. 6 minus 4. So A minus B. A star what? B. The same thing. So half 6 minus 4 is 2. So half of 2 is what? 1. Right? So this is 1. Now 6 star 6. You know it will be what? 0. Because see, 6 star 6. A minus B. So if 6 minus 6, this will be 0. Half of 0 is still 0. So 0 here. So if you can prove it. Let's see. 6 star 8. That is A minus B. You are going to get negative 1. Half, let me do this one, then I'll not do again. Because half of what? A minus B. So A is what? A star B. A star B. So half of A is what? 6 minus B is 8. Since mine is -2, so half of -2 is -1. So that's why I wrote -1. So the formula is a minus what? B. So for 8 minus what? 8 minus 4 is what? 4. You get 2. 8 minus 6, you are going to get what? 2. Divided by half is 1. 8 minus 8, I'm going to get 0. So that is that. We are done with the table. So completed it. But look at something. Look at something. Check the line here. What can you see? What can you see? You can see 0, 0, 0. Right? I will show you a trick later as you move on, but just get it this way. Let's go to the next question. So the first question, form a table of the operation on a set T. We are done. So that's the first part. We have been able to form a table on this set T, and this is the table. So the whole table on the operation is this. What's the table for set T? The next question is determine whether or not the operation is what? Closed. So let me write it here. Let me write it here. Closed set. Closed set. So when you say the set is closed, it means all the members on this table must be part of what? The set T. So it means it's closed. So if there are other members on the table that cannot be found on set T, it means the table is not closed. So here we will say, is the table closed? It's not closed because we are having what? Foreign numbers. So you see the table, no, the set T. So the set T is not closed since numbers like which other numbers can you see? We have 0, -1, -2, 2, and we also have 1 are not in set T. So that is that. The table is not closed because you're having other foreign what? Members. So simply put, you can say the set T is not closed since, so here you got since, then you jump here. There are other members which are not part of set T. That's all. So the table is not closed. So what I'm trying to say, when you say the table is not closed, it means it contains foreign numbers that are not on set T. I hope this is very helpful. So meet in our next video. You can share, follow, and subscribe as you just get in touch for more details. Thank you. Alright, this is going to be our last example. The operation star is defined as m star n equal m minus n over n. We have to find the true set of what? A star k equal 12 star 3. So first we need to find the value of k. And it is our duty to find the value of k using the function that is given. So first, you have to try the one you know. First, there are two ways to tackle this question. You can do it together or you can do it what? Separately. But I would like us to do it together. So 8 star k, that is what? M star n. M star n. So here our m is 8 and our n is representing k. So it is m minus n this time, right? M minus n. N is k. Over n. And n is what? K. Do you get it? Let me confirm the question. Alright. Equals here. M minus n, 12 minus n, which is 3. Over what? 3. Can you see? It is very simple. So 8 minus k, we cannot do anything. Equals 12 minus 3 is going to be 9 over 3. So you are going to get 8 minus k over k equals what? 3. Because 9 on what? 3 is what? 3. Right, so our 8 here, we can just do cross multiplication. Let's assume this side is over 1, cross multiplication. Or you can just find LCM. Then the LCM is k. So k will multiply the numerator and the other side. So cross multiplication. So the method 1, cross multiplication. Someone will be confused. So cross multiplication. So 1 will multiply what? 8 minus k. Then 3 will multiply k. So 3 will multiply k. Right? Sorry, because of my camera. 8 minus k equal 3k. So 8 minus k. So let's make e the subject. Sorry, k. 8 equal, this is negative. When it's crossed the positive, the equal sign becomes what? Positive. So 3k is there. I'm in my house. You are coming, so I have to give you c to set. So 3k here, this is negative, its cross becomes what? Positive. So our 8 is going to be what? 4k. If you want to find k, you divide by what is making k not what? Constant, and it is 4. Divide by 4. So this 4 will cancel, and this will also go. So 8 over 2 is going to be 2, and this is k. So I'll say k is what? 2. Right? Okay. So my method 2 that I was talking about is also going to be like this. The LCM is k. So you can say k will multiply 8 minus k over k equal, then the k will also multiply 3. So this k will cancel k. So you get 8 minus k equal 3k. And it's still going to be 8 equal 4k, giving us k to be what? 2. So we know the value of k now to be what? To be 2. So let's find the true set. So when they say true set, we are done. True set is just presenting it. So k is such that k is what? 2. That is true set. So yeah, k is such that k is true. So that's the true set. So let's meet in our next video. So you can also subscribe to this channel, you can share, so that any new video that I'll just bring on board, you'll be alerted. Stay well.